How to change language on Omegle. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Here in the search bar, search for omegle.com. It will land you on the official page of Omegle. Now tap on this three dot at the top right corner and then click on desktop site. Once you are on your desktop site, right here at the top right corner you'll find the option of select language. Tap on it. Tons of different languages will be visible to you. From here, select the appropriate language that you want. Let's say I want to change the language to Korean. Search for the language Korean and then tap on it. There you go, your language has been successfully changed to Korean. Likewise, you can change the language as per your preference and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change the language on Omegle. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.